to show you a job I did in the area of the Hamburg port. This job came to me pretty much on the last minute. I had very little time to do it, but as it was a good job, I wanted to do it. I had like 1 week to plan it and then just do it on 3 days maximum, because I was working on another job at the same time. The reason the client wanted this mural was a 10 years anniversary of one of the bosses of this company. They planned to do this mural while he's away. So I had to do it in a very specific time and finish it till one specific date or day. But let's not talk too much. Here's how I painted this mural. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and a huge support would be if you share my videos on social media. So there will be more. Stay tuned. Bye!